how to easily buy just one single item on Alibaba. So if you want to easily buy just one single item on your Alibaba, then what you need to do is you can either open up your application or you can go with your browser. You can search for Alibaba, go with www.alibaba.com. From here, you can select the product that you would like to buy. So you just need to simply go with the product. And from here, you need to select any product that you're comfortable with. So I'll just simply go with a single product. Now, if you want to buy this product, then you just need to simply go with the right side. And here you will have the quantity option. So you just need to simply go with the quantity, which is 1. And after selecting the quantity, you need to go with your payment method and then start buying it. First, make sure that you've signed in, and after signing in, you'll be able to add that to your cart. And after that, add your payment methods. After adding your payment methods, you'll be able to buy that product. So here, as you can see, that I've selected one quantity, which means you will only get one piece. So that's how you can easily buy just one single item on Alibaba. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.